Emollient Combination No. 69 Cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. Emollients are substances that soften and moisturize the skin while decreasing itching and flaking. Some products are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation, such as from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. Common emollients include petrolatum, lanolin, mineral oil, and dimethicone. Humectants, including glycerin, lecithin, and propylene glycol, draw water into the outer layer of skin. Many products also have ingredients that soften the outer layer of skin cells and help the skin keep in more water, leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Make sure to use this product as directed. Some products may need to be primed before use, so be sure to follow the instructions on the product package. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. Some products may also need to be shaken before use, so check the label to see if this applies to your cream. Apply the cream to the affected areas of your skin as needed or as directed on the label or by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. If you're using it for dry hands, you may need to apply it every time you wash your hands throughout the day. For those using the cream to treat diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before use and allow it to dry before applying the product. If you're using the cream to help treat radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to ensure it can be applied before therapy. Remember to follow all the directions on the label for proper use and apply it to the skin only. Avoid sensitive areas like your eyes, inside your mouth/nose, and the vaginal/groin area, unless directed otherwise by the label or your doctor. Also, check the label for any areas or types of skin where you should not apply the product and consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Use the cream regularly to get the most benefit from it. Apply it after bathing or showering while your skin is still damp, as most moisturizers need water to work well. If you have very dry skin, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before using the product. It's important to note that long, hot, or frequent bathing and washing can worsen dry skin. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, be sure to seek medical help right away. So, let's talk about the uses and details of Emollient Combination No. 69 Cream. Most people can use it without any side effects, but some may experience burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist right away. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Serious side effects are rare, but it's important to seek medical attention if you experience unusual changes in the skin or signs of a skin infection. If you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using this product, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. Also, consult with your healthcare professional if you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores. Some ingredients in this product may make you more sensitive to the sun, so it's important to check the label for warnings and take necessary precautions when outdoors. If you are prone to acne breakouts, look for non-comedogenic on the label to avoid worsening acne. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery. Additionally, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. Drug interactions can affect how well your medications work and could also increase the risk of experiencing serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to make any changes to the dosage of your medicines without first consulting your doctor. If this medication is ingested, it can be dangerous. If an overdose occurs and there are severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the United States, you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. When it comes to preventing dry skin, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Try using lukewarm water instead of hot water when bathing, and consider taking baths or showers less frequently, like every 1 to 2 days. Keep your baths or showers short, and if the air is very dry, using a humidifier can also help. There are various types of emollient products out there, and some may contain fragrance or other ingredients that could potentially cause sensitivity in some individuals. Emollients come in different forms, including oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to find the best product for your specific needs. As for Emollient Combination No. 69 Cream, it is used for moisturizing and soothing dry, itchy, or irritated skin. It is typically applied to the affected area as needed, and the best time to use it may be after bathing or showering. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional for the best results. If you are using this cream regularly and happen to miss a dose, simply use it as soon as you remember. It's important not to use more product or apply it more frequently than directed to make up for the missed dose. Just stick to the recommended schedule for best results. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames, as it is under pressure. Do not puncture or burn the canister. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly dispose of the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.